What would happen if you gave complete control of a business to artificial intelligence for 7 straight days? No human decisions, no brainstorming, no employees making choices, just AI. Could it actually make money? Would everything collapse? Or are we dangerously close to a future where businesses no longer need people? A few years ago, this experiment would have sounded ridiculous. Artificial intelligence was slow, confusing, and honestly, not very useful. But today, AI can write emails, design websites, respond to customers, create advertisements, analyze data, write scripts, generate ideas, and even make business decisions. So I started wondering something. What if I stopped doing everything myself and let AI run an actual business for an entire week? No fake challenge, no clickbait, a real experiment, real tasks, real pressure. And honestly, the results shocked me, because by the end of 7 days, I realized something terrifying. AI isn't coming for the future. It's already here. The rules of the experiment. Before we start, I had to create rules, because without rules, this experiment would mean nothing. For 7 days, AI would control almost every business decision. What product should be sold? How should marketing be written? What content should be posted? How should customer messages be handled? How should pricing work? And even what strategies should be followed? My role? Almost nothing. I could execute instructions, but the thinking, that belonged to AI. And to make things interesting, I gave myself a challenge. No expensive team, no giant budget, no secret advantages. Just ordinary tools anyone can access. Because I wanted to answer one question. Could the average person realistically build something using AI? Or is this all just internet hype? So with zero expectations, day 1 began. Day 1 chaos. The first thing AI needed to decide was simple. What business should we even run? At first, the suggestions were terrible. Generic ideas, dropshipping, print on demand, affiliate blogs. Nothing interesting, nothing exciting. Then something unexpected happened. After refining prompts and asking better questions, AI suggested something smarter. A digital product business. Low startup cost, fast setup, high profit margins, and scalable. The idea was simple. Sell useful digital resources for creators and small businesses. Templates, guides, productivity tools, simple things people actually need. At first, I doubted it because, honestly, it sounded boring. But boring businesses usually make money. So we moved forward. AI suggested a niche. Help content creators save time. Interesting. Because creators are overwhelmed, editing, writing, posting, research. Everything takes forever. And suddenly, the idea started making sense. By the end of day 1, AI had already helped build a basic plan. Target audience, business, name, ideas. Offer positioning, simple pricing. And for the first time, this experiment actually felt real. Day 2, building the business. Now came the hard part, building something people would actually pay for. Usually this would take days, maybe weeks, but AI moved fast. Shockingly fast. It suggested product ideas, refined descriptions, created website copy, generated headlines, and even helped organize product structure. What surprised me most wasn't the speed, it was the clarity. AI wasn't emotional. It didn't overthink. It didn't hesitate. It simply moved, decision after decision, problem after problem. At one point, I spent 20 minutes overthinking a headline. AI generated 20 options in seconds. And honestly, most of them were pretty good. That's when something strange hit me. Maybe humans aren't slow because work is hard. Maybe we're slow because we overthink everything. By the end of day 2, the business actually existed. Landing page, basic offer, simple branding, and products ready for testing. 7 days suddenly felt possible. Day 3 marketing takes over. This is where most businesses fail. You can build the greatest product in the world, but if nobody sees it, nothing happens. So I handed marketing to AI. Honestly, I expected disaster, terrible captions, robotic ads, boring content. Instead, something unexpected happened. AI understood psychology surprisingly well. Urgency, curiosity, pain points, problem solving. It suggested content angles designed to grab attention. How creators waste 10 hours every week. The productivity system nobody talks about. Why most creators burn out. And suddenly, marketing stopped feeling random. It started feeling strategic. But there was a problem. AI could generate ideas. It couldn't understand human emotion perfectly. Some captions felt robotic, too polished, too perfect. And that's when I learned the first big lesson of this experiment. AI is powerful, but human instinct still matters. Because humans understand nuance, emotion, timing, culture. AI can accelerate ideas, but sometimes humans still need to refine them. Still, marketing was moving faster than ever. And surprisingly, the engagement wasn't terrible. Day 4 customer support. This day worried me the most. Because customers are unpredictable, people ask weird questions. Unexpected problems happen. Emotions get involved. Could AI actually handle real customer communication? At first, not really. Some responses felt cold, too professional, too robotic, almost like talking to a customer service machine. And nobody likes that. But after adjustments, things improved dramatically. The responses became friendlier, clearer, more helpful, and faster, much faster. No delays, no forgotten messages, no stress, which made me realize something uncomfortable. Many businesses already have terrible customer support, and compared to waiting 2 days for a response, a smart AI assistant replying instantly suddenly feels pretty useful. That realization felt weird, because for years we thought customer relationships required humans. Now, I wasn't so sure anymore. Day 5, the biggest problem. This was the moment reality hit, because something started going wrong. AI was productive, very productive, but productivity isn't intelligence. And this is where people misunderstand technology. AI can sound confident, even when it's wrong. Sometimes suggestions sounded brilliant, until you actually tested them. One marketing strategy completely failed. A pricing idea made no sense. A sales message sounded impressive, but converted badly. And suddenly I realized something important. AI doesn't replace thinking. It improves thinking. That difference matters, because blindly following AI is dangerous. The best results came when AI handled 80% of the work, and human judgment handled the final 20%. That combination felt incredibly powerful. Not human versus machine. Human with machine. That's where the magic started happening. Day 6, something surprising happened. By day 6, something unexpected happened. The business started feeling real. The systems worked. Content was being created faster. Decisions felt easier. Momentum started building. And honestly, the biggest surprise wasn't money. It was speed. Things that normally took weeks were happening in days. Research became faster. Writing became faster. Planning became faster. Problem solving became faster. And I started asking myself a dangerous question. What happens when everyone has access to this? Because suddenly, one person could do the work of 5, maybe 10. That changes everything. Small businesses, freelancers, creators, startups. The rules are changing. And most people still don't realize it. Day 7, the final result. So after 7 days, did AI successfully run a business? Yes and no. AI was incredible at speed, research, brainstorming, but it struggled with instinct, context, creativity at a deep level, and human psychology. So no, AI didn't completely replace humans. But something more interesting happened. It made one human dramatically more powerful. That's the part people are missing. The future may not belong to giant companies with huge teams. It may belong to individuals using AI intelligently. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more content about business, psychology, money, and the future of technology. And remember this, the biggest opportunities often look ridiculous, right before they become normal.